Hi, this is Brian with Markful, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to insert and resize a photo within the editor. So as you can see, I'm already in the editor. I'm editing a business card that has a photo on it. Of course, if you're in another product, that's totally cool. The core learning here is going to be the exact same. So let's just get started. So as you can see, I have a stock photo here that I want to personalize with my headshot. So I have two ways to do that. One, I can click this teal icon here on the photo and select an image, or I could click up here on this icon to select an image. So I'm going to click this and it's going to fire up my gallery. I've already uploaded a headshot before, so I could either just select that and insert it, or if, perhaps I was creating a business card for a friend and I wanted to grab their headshot, I could upload a new file, which I'm doing now. And by clicking open, it's going to upload it into my gallery. And, I could essentially grab that now and it highlights it. And now I could insert it. Now, if I felt like this wasn't really centered on the card, what I want to do is I want to maybe enlarge it and move it around so it looks a little bit better. So in order to do that, I'm going to put my cursor over this white hand and click it. And that's going to toggle me into editor mode. And you can see I have white squares up here. And when I'm over the photo, I get a 4-way directional. So at that point, I could click and then drag and then drop whenever I want. And when I wanted to lock it in, that I could click this teal box. But let me do this. I feel like it's not centered without enlarging. So I'm going to make it really big. And I'm going to try to center it in this box here as best as possible and get it the way I want it. And like I said, once I'm done dragging and dropping, this little teal checkbox will show up and now I could lock it in. And what I'm looking at is, okay, great. This is awesome. I have the image here and I look, pretty centered between this ear and the trim line and this ear and the edge of this border here. Looks like he's leaning against a wall, so that makes it a little tricky, but those are essentially the basics, right? So you're just gonna, to review, hover over the white handle. Now you're in editing mode. Now you can click any of these white squares to enlarge. You could use the drag and drop when you have this omnidirectional arrow. And once you've locked it in, you can confirm it with this teal checkbox. So that is the basics of resizing an image. We'll have some subsequent videos that show you how to add some effects to these images. We'll go deeper on trim line and safety line and how that affects images and more. So stay tuned, but I hope this helped answer any questions about how to resize and move a photo around the editor. If you have any more questions, feel free to hit up our help center. That's available 24/7, 365. And of course, your customer success team is always there for you Monday to Friday, 7 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time via chat, email, or phone call. Thanks for watching.